Good morning, it's day 2 of Japan. Today we're going somewhere. We're going to HP Studios and I believe we're going to the Starbucks roastery as well. So come on, let's go. This is the fit for today. It's just simple. So I have responsive shoes and black pants and then this cute sweater from Uniqlo. Then a pullover, turtleneck pullover here. And then my bag full of gears. That's the fit.
Hello, it's Soyo. We're here at Hogwarts. Oh, ang ganda. Anyway, so we're here at the making of Harry Potter studio. I think studio tour. Yes, it is studio tour. And right now we're going to eat lunch because it's already 1. It's almost 2 p.m. Our schedule is for 1:30. We're having lunch here at Great Hall, and I got an English breakfast and then I added rice because I can't literally function without rice. So I have this Coke Zero drink because Coke is life. I'm having this English breakfast. Looks good. And then I have rice on the side here because I can't eat without rice. Currently here in Shibuya. We're going to have yakiniku for dinner, and we stumbled upon this, well, Kobe beef yakiniku. So we're going to try it out. So this is the menu. Yeah, they gave us towels to clean our hands with. It's nice.
Normally, it's really worth it. And then it also has an internal oven, so if you don't like it, you can change other wet parts.
Okay.
Yeah.
As long as it's not inert, if it's okay. If it's not inert. As long as it's not, no. As long as it's not this one.
We have chuck tender and fillet.
Okay.
Yeah. And it also has already a flavor.
Okay.
So like after you cook the beef, you can try with garlic chip and wasabi if you like. So it also has a soy sauce on it. So after you cook the beef, you can try with dipping sauce.
Alright.
Yeah.
So we finished eating at that Kobe beef place, at yakiniku place. It's a bit expensive, but it's Kobe beef, so that's understandable. And now we're still hungry, and we stumbled upon this standing sushi bar right here. We're currently in line. We're like 1, 2, 3. We're fourth in line. I'm not sure about the name, but I'll translate it later. A bit scared in vlogging, but I don't care because I'm in Japan. No one's gonna judge me, which is the good thing. And yeah, this standing sushi place. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. pa?
Diba? Para siyang
Chewy kasi siya eh. We just had the most mind-blowing sushi experience that we had. It's one of the best, I would say. The concept of it, it's really, really good. Like standing while eating sushi, never seen that before.